Yeah, you heard me right. 47 books in total of I think 3 years. Very less. I know, very less. I don't believe I read only this much book. But that's how it is. That's the harsh reality. But I have only reviewed 15 out of them. Like seriously, 15 books out of 47 books I have read. That total leaves me with 32 books. Like I haven't read, that leaves me with 32 books that I haven't reviewed yet. So that's what I'm doing in today's video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Vanshika, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for the new videos, whichever it could be, family vlogging or another book review or anything you like. Just suggest some videos and I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and if you did, then like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget that. So let's start with today's reviewing with all the books I have read till now, like the 32 books that are remaining for review, and plus the books I still am reading. So let me give you the quick review I could get of all these 32 books I have read till now, plus what I think about them. Let's get started. The first 4 books are from a series, and it was like the most asked series from me to get it reviewed, and my friends also asked, have you read this book and how would you rate it? So today is finally the day I review those. और ये सारे reviews इंस्टा पे पहले ही पोस्ट हो चुके थे in a folder where you can find it as book review on my Insta page, and if you haven't followed me on Instagram, do follow. So let's get started. I'm yapping too much, I know, I'm a yapper. So the first 4 books are my favorite, one of the favorites, the Twisted series. We have Twisted Love, Twisted Game, Twisted Hate and Twisted Lies. And if you don't know, Anna Huang is my favorite author, like one of the favorite author, and this series comes in my top 5 series. Yes, it does. So guys, जो रिव्यू इंस्टा पे आपको मिलेगा वही सेम रिव्यू यही रहेगा, और क्या लिखे थे हम इंस्टा पोस्ट में आपको वो भी बताते हैं. तो सबसे पहली बुक है हमारी इस सीरीज की, द ट्विस्टेड लव, और इसको कहते रेट हुए थे 4 stars with review of Anna I read and OMG I'm obsessed stars. I would have given 5, but the other one says chef's kiss. Yeah, this book got 4 stars from me. Why? Because I like the other ones way better, and honestly it deserves a 4.5 stars, not 4 stars. 4.5. I changed my rating right now. 4.5. This book deserves. Second book, The Twisted Games, 5 stars. Even before I read what I wrote, this book had gotten 5 stars from me. I love this book. My God, Mr. Larson, you are awesome. It deserves more than 5 stars. I have no word. That's true. Mr. Larson deserves more than 5 freaking stars. Hate, and ooh, I have to be like, you can go another 5 star. Why? This book has all my favorite tropes. Definitely yes. Enemies to lovers, forced proximity, grumpy ex feisty, emotional balance, slow burn tension, and oof, Josh and June chemistry. Like Josh and Jules' chemistry was like another chef kiss, and the fire emoji. This fire emoji. So yeah, it got a heart and fire emoji in it. I'm reading from here, guys. That's what I wrote. And the last book in the series, Twisted Lies. It also got 5 stars from me. This book isn't loud, it's powerful in its emotions. Every page feels intentional, every moment heavy with unspoken feelings. By the end, it leaves your heart full and aching at the same time. A true 5-star read and a beautiful, unforgettable ending to the Twisted series. Definitely, I totally agree with myself. I wrote what I thought. And this was the last book of the Twisted series. इसके बाद मैंने रीड किया था जो बुक वो निशी की थी, साइलेंट पेशेंट और द टीचर, लव अनअरेंज्ड, हाउ टू किल अ मैन एंड गेट अवे विद इट, ऑन द ओपन वर्ड, दिस वाज माइन. सो दिस 4 बुक्स वर ऑफ निशी, और ये 4 बुक्स उसको वापस कर चुके थे, मेरे पास होनी है, तो इसका रिव्यू सीधे हम पढ़ लेते, क्योंकि हम लिख के रखे हैं कहीं हम भूल ना जाए. तो साइलेंट पेशेंट गॉट अ 5 स्टार, एंड इसका रिव्यू है, माई गॉड दिस बुक मेड मी all goosebumps all over my arms from the very first page. Every chapter had that suspense with unreliable voices. Like I could hear the voices in my head, that kind of voices, and subtle clues from that first assumption I made. Yeah, that's what it was. The unreliable narration, force concentration, consent, second guessing, turning familiar psychological thing a mind blowing way. That's what I've seen. The silent patient played with my mind. I was like, after reading, I stared at my ceiling for like a very, very, very long time. I was like, oh my gosh, what did I just read? At 3, of course. Yeah, that's what I did. I wrote that at night. So it was very, very, very traumatizing. The teacher, Freda McFadden की पहली book, and since then I'm obsessed with her books. And the thriller, the suspense, oh my god, the mystery that left me breathless yet again and staring me at the ceilings and thinking about this book even after like weeks. I still think about it when I first think about Freda's name, and this book got 5 stars as well. I have no word for this book. Yeah. Before reading this, I thought I knew what thriller and mystery is. But God, I was so freaking wrong. This was a whole new level, and it's now one of my top 3. Freda McFadden is my now favorite author. True, very true. She's my favorite. If you know, I love thriller, I love mystery, I freaking love her books. 5 stars, no words needed. Then we have Love Unarranged, an indie author's book, and it got 5 stars yet again. Wow. सारी books को 5 stars मिला है. Line to line 5 stars. This book was so good. Now this one is like what happens in real Indian household. That is true. And arranged marriage, yeah. Indian arranged marriage. I love this book so much. It was a spicy, but the flow was just flowing. Yeah, it was a little spicy, maybe a little too spicy. Yeah, the book is like a Bollywood perfect love song, full of laughter, chaos, and heart. The chemistry between Kriti and Akar hits like the sweetest melody. Family drama adds the beat, making every chapter feel alive. It made me smile, snore, and feel warm inside all at once. That's what I wrote here. And that's so true. Bro, this book was so cute. And the Bhabhi Devar connection was so cute. Like they were so cute. I wish we could see this kind of Bhabhi Devar wala in real life. The way they had fun and the way he held her and she held him. It was too good. How to Kill a Man and Get Away with It. Yeah, I wrote that book. I read that book. And another 5 star. This book was just so... I don't know what. The killing was so brutal and disgusting. For real. If you haven't read it, I don't want to give spoilers, but if you haven't read it, and when you read it, how she killed these men, it was like, oh my god. The people who eats this is like, what am I even saying? Don't say. And for the sake of me, it made me gag at one point, and the ending made me staring at the wall and think about this book for days. That's true. Yet another book. Thriller, that is what I love about thriller. कि जब वो book read कर लो, and then with the mystery is over, with the thriller gone, the headline gone, you just have to stare at the wall, the fan, the ceiling. That's what they made me do. And the romance makes you all giggly, but I wasn't romancing here. I was killing someone, apparently, from this book. Yeah, you can call me a psychopath. I don't care. I love this book. After all these 4 books were On the Open Road by Shruti, and this was like, I don't know, it was like 5 cities, 1 dream and 3 lives. It had 3 characters apparently. I mean apparently not apparently. It had 3 characters. और ये book short में आप लोग review शायद देखे होंगे कि it wasn't like my type of book, but it deserves a 3.5 stars. और इसके review में भी हम यही लिखे थे. Not my usual type, but it wasn't that bad. It was a good book, very straightforward and simple to read. Yeah, that's what this book was, and I don't have anything else to say because, like I said, it wasn't like really my type. So yeah. Then which book I read next after this? Oh, another very good book, a rom-com, my first ever rom-com by the one and only Lynn Painter. Gogol Nishi की book थी, Better Than Movies, जो कि उसके पास वापस जा चुकी है. Better Than Movies deserved full 5 stars. If I could give more, like 10, 500, 100,000, that's what it gets. Better Than Movie, like, oh my god, the rom-com. This book got me out of my big slump Like I was in a big slump in between 2025, and this book got me out of the slump, and I was reading again after reading this book. So the review was OMG. Okay, so this was my first ever rom-com. That's what I said. And this book got me out of my slumber. That's what I told you. I was loving it so freaking much. The character, the plot, that was on the point. Chef's kiss. यही लिखा था इसमें. And this is true. ये review अभी भी stand करता है कि जो Better Than Movies ने मेरे संग किया है वो कई लोगों के संग किया है. And I understand you girly if you have read it. और ये वो गौरी ने भी पढ़ा and she freaking loved it. She was like, that's why I want more rom-coms from Lynn Painter. Yeah. Then we have the reappearance of Rachel Price. Holly Jackson, my favorite author. My first favorite author I got was Holly Jackson. And the reappearance of Rachel Price was also a Nishi ki book. So, wo Nishi ke paas hai. It got 5 stars from me. You know why? Because I love suspense and thriller and mystery. So, I love Holly Jackson. That's an understatement. She is my favorite author. Yes. And this book blew me away. The plot, the way it was written, the storyline, I loved it. 5 stars less and I could give it more. True, very true. Very true. I could give it more than 5 stars. I don't know how many, but yeah, more than 5 deserving है. और इसका ऐसा इसलिए क्योंकि if you have read this, you know how I feel. If you have read it, please let me know. Oh my god, this book had made me feel emotional, like really emotional, and anger too, and disgust by not one, 2, 3 characters, and I was like, yeah, I would have done the same. So yes. Then we have a book that is mine. Yeah, finally कोई ऐसी book जो मेरी है. Yeah, The Love Hypothesis, first book of Ali Hazelwood. It got 4 stars from me. Oh, I thought it got 3. Oh, it got 4 stars. It was a good book, honestly. The science stuff was getting above my head. I googled it. That's why only 4 star. Yeah, that's true. I did Google many stuffs because scientific terms समझ में नहीं आ रहे थे क्या है इसका मतलब. तो वो Google के थे इस वजह से 1 star नहीं है. Oh, I thought I gave it a 3 star, but it got 4 stars. So yeah, this had gotten freaking 4 stars. Ali Hazelwood. That's nice. Another one of my favorite series. Another one. Very good series. If you haven't read it, you should read it. Let me get the book out. Yes, I got it. The Sweetest Oblivious. Wow, I love this book. It also got 4 star, but apparently because the other 2 was like, this was here, they were here. Yeah, out of the scale. हुआ ऐसे के ऊपर. तो इसको मिले थे 4 stars. And what was the reason? This book, I love the whole series. Elena Abelli, the sweet Abelli. Nicholas is ruthless, cold, and fearless mafia, and feared mafia. The mafia romance with dark edge, forbidden attraction, emotional tension, and the classic grumpy action-shine dynamic filters through the danger and blood-soaked. That's what I wrote. हमको खुद ही नहीं याद कि हम क्या लिखे थे. That is why I'm reading this, guys. Oh my god. When I read it, all the things I wrote started going inside my mind. I was like, oh, this happened too. So it got 4 stars. I would give it 4.5. This deserves 4.5 stars. 4.5 fucking stars. This book got 4 stars. Still, deserve 4.5, but I'll give 4. Because my decision is the maddest obsession. This book had gotten 4 stars. Iska pakka 4.5 hai. This had, like, the first book had 4, the second 4.5. Why? Let me tell you the reason. This book is darker, deeper, and more emotionally intense than The Sweetest Oblivious. That is why the tension is constant, the chemistry is suffocating, and the emotional payoff is incredibly satisfying. It's a favorite amongst readers who loves quiet obsession, control versus chaos, and powerful slow burns. That is why it deserves a 4.5 stars. I give it a 4 stars, but it will get 4.5 stars from me right now. Then the last book. I read this book, The Darkest Temptation, 2 times by now, and I could still reread it. It is damn good, and you will think, what is this girl? Like, what does she read? What kind of stuff? But I don't care about your opinion, brother, mother, or any other person. I don't care about your opinion. My life, my rules, my books, my money, my paisa. I could read whatever I wanna read. And this book got 5 stars from me. Why? Okay, oh my god, इसका review बहुत बड़ा लिखा है मैंने. The reviews like the darkest temptation completely consumed me from the start to finish. Very true. The dark intensity and the emotional depth made it unforgettable, and it's easily stand out as my favorite amongst the all 3 books. Yep. Every chapter feels heavy with tension, danger, and raw emotion. Yet the slow emotion unraveling adds a powerful layer that keeps you deeply invested. Very, very, very true. What truly sets it apart is how it brutally balanced with verbality, making the connection between the characters feels intense and haunting rather than rushed. It's dark, addictive, and emotionally gripping. A true 5-star read that stays with you long after you turn the last page. That is why I wrote it 3 times. Like, I read it 3 times. That is why, for this reason, this is the exact reason why I read it 2 times, because it was so freaking good and well written, and I just couldn't stop myself from rereading it again. And then I don't need my phone here to review this series, and it is one of the top series. Like, it's on top 3 in number 1. Top 3 series मेरी जो है उस पे ये number 1 है, and that is the Shatter Me series. The Shatter Me, these are my babies. The Shatter Me series, all of them gets a full freaking 1000 stars. ले लो, 10,000 ले लो. These deserve it. I love it. I have no words to describe this series. I have no words to describe this series. I just can tell you that it was too good. Shatter Me got 5 star, Unravel Me 5 star, Ignite Me 5 star, Untie Me जिसमें Destroy Me और Fracture Me था, उसको 5 stars. फिर Defy Me 5 stars, Find Me 5 stars, Imagine Me 5 stars, and Believe Me 5 star. With Watch Me जो लेटेस्ट आई है 2025 में, हम वो भी रीड किए थे, उसको भी 5 star. Oh my god, I got breathless speaking after this book. All of them got a freaking 5 stars and more. Death Obsession, it was truly a very disappointing book. Seriously, इसको रीड करना, like since हम बुक जब से स्टार्ट किए थे रीडिंग करना, तब से ये बुक मुझे रीड करनी थी, and it left me quite disappointing and wanting for more. It got 3 stars for me, and I'll tell you the reason. I was really excited to read Death Obsession and had been looking forward to it for a very long time. That is true. But it left me a little maybe more disappointed. While the concept of death as a character was intriguing and the atmosphere was dark and poetic, the story didn't deliver the full emotional depth and impact I was expecting. It had potential, but it didn't quite connect with me the way I hoped. It's true. It wasn't like I didn't really enjoy reading it, but I was thinking when I saw the book and read the back cover, I was like, oh, there could be something. The pull, you know, the magnetic pull kind of thing when you read a dark book, but I didn't got that. So I was very disappointed. But it's okay. The next book, another one of Freda, After the Teacher, The Inmate, my first book of Freda that I bought, and it was also a gift. I don't know why I got this as a gift. गौरी ने गिफ्ट किया था. Why I think, oh yeah, उसका बर्थडे का जो पूरा था उस टाइम पे गौरी ने ये मुझे गिफ्ट किया था, and it got another freaking 5 stars. You know the reason. I love 5 stars. And इसके रिव्यू में क्या लिखा है मैं बताती हूँ. Freda McFarlane masterfully plays with the prescription, trust and truth. The tension is constant and the pacing is sharp, and the revolutions are shocking without feeling forced. This book kept me hooked, anxious, and flipping pages late into the night. Very true. It is fast-paced, addictive, and completely mind-bending. From the very first page, it pulled you in a refuse to let go. The suspense built temptingly, and just when you think you have figured it out, I am telling you, I thought I figured it out. Just when I thought I figured this out, the story twists in the way that makes you question everything. Like last के pages में ऐसा उस स्टोरी को घुमाया है, ऐसा घुमाया. It left me, it left the chart. I was so much staring at my wall and thinking, oh wow, what did I read? Another mind-blowing book. That's what I'm saying. See, when I like book, I get so excited, so much yapping about it, and when I don't like it, I go sad, a little disappointed, which is very common. So yeah, The Inmate. Then another book which I thought would give me more, but have left me quite disappointing. Toxic. Yeah, this book also left me quite a little sore, I'll say. Why? The review it got is 4 stars, and I am issuing 4 stars. It's intense, yes, unsettling, very yes, and emotionally heavy, very very yes. If you have read it, you know what I mean to say. Because जब कुछ parts reveal होते हैं, I was like so sad at it. The story dives deep into obsession, manipulation, and blurred line between the love and control. It's uncomfortable at times, but that's exactly the point. The characters are deeply flawed, the tension is constant, and the psychological pull is strong. While some moments are disturbing, the writing keeps you engaged, making it hard to look away. That's what I said. Like at some point it will make you think like, how could someone do this, or how could you even think about something like this? But at the same time, that is what keeps you going to read this book. That was the exact whole point of writing this book, to make you read it till the very end and never put it. The Wrong Bride, another 5-star book. The Wrong Bride, oh my god, this book had made me so frustrated. It had gotten me to the level of frustration and anger I didn't thought I would get by reading a book which is tick tick tick. So 5-star. The reason is The Wrong Bride is an emotional addictive romance that kept me hooked from start to finish, even when the plots got predictable. Yeah, जब भी इस book के बीच में आप लोग पहुंचेंगे ना, the plot got very predictable. Even when the plot got predictable, the tension and the emotion kept me invested. That is why I read it fully and gave it a 5-star, because it was the way it was written. The favoritism, that's what I'm talking about. The favoritism in the story made my blood boil, adding frustration and raw emotional punch. But it made every moment of growth, love, felt earned, tender, satisfied, and deeply human. It made me so freaking frustrated at one point. I was like, I want to throw this book across the room because of how angry I felt at that moment after reading some things. And it was so sad for the characters. I was sad for the characters and I was super angry at them. I just wanted to punch them and kick them and do all these kinds of shit. But I stopped myself. I was like, no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not. I love my books. I love the characters. I love everything. But I can't do that. No. So we have The Do-Over, another rom-com and another Lynn Painter's book and Golly book जो कि हम भी read किए हम, and it was so good. Oh my god, a 5-star for this book as well. It was so freaking cute. Like ये book revolves करती है Valentine's Day के around and how this girl is very like into organizing everything and how she wanted the perfect Valentine's, but that never happened apparently for some reasons. And this was like the review. This is my second book by Lynn Painter, very true, and this one had me hooked from the starting to end. Yeah, it was fun to read and totally worth it. The romance, comedy, self-discovery and emotional growth through it. Its clever timing, Luke presents Emily's learning that control can't protect her life from love, or at sometimes the messed up moment teach you the most. I don't know why I read that, but like I read that like that. But it was like what I said. It was like what I said. That's what this book was all about. I was still thinking about it long after I completed it, and it was damn good. Okay, I feel like we are at the end. Oh my god, that's the end. I finished all the books I have read. Oh my gosh, yay! The book review is completed. The Do-Over was the last book I read. Actually, the first book of 2026 I read. अगर इसको हटा दे, The Do-Over को हटा दे, तो बाकी सारी books हम 2025 में पढ़े थे. And that's it for today's reviewing video, and I hope you liked it, and if you did then you